200,000 traders of LPG gas demand as follows: that the inhuman treatment and physical assault of small-scale traders by this vigilante group be stopped immediately, and the black site in Hurlingham, the illegal police station, be shut down forthwith. Number 2, legal action be taken against Mr. Mutiso, Deputy Inspector General Eliud Lagat, the command of this ungazetted police station, at the 25 clandestine rogue police officers. Number 3, the 200,000 gas cylinders seized be forthwith returned and to the affected traders compensated as per the law. Number 4, the rogue EPRA officers led by Major Retired Agustino Uma and the Acting Director General Ketch be investigated and prosecuted for abuse of office and subversion of regulations. 5, that the legal framework and guidelines in the trade of liquefied petroleum gas be observed and followed to the letter. Finally, we are adequately informed that this LPG gas harassment of small gas traders has more than it meets the eye. William Ruto, through Ashirami Synergy, a company closely associated with him, wants to introduce a deal like the petroleum's G2G ragtag to complete